Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna see how even you can fix the error 4013 easily and quickly. So without further ado, let's roll the video. So often it happens that when you try to restore your iPhone, iTunes shows up a message something like this that talks about the error 4013, and this error basically prevents your iPhone from getting restored. And if you want to fix the error 4013 without spending much of your time, then you should make use of the Fixppo software by iMyfone, who are known for making easy to use softwares that provide solutions to the problems related to iPhones, iPods and iPads. And talking about the software itself, the Fixppo software is a professional tool that has been built to fix various iOS related issues easily, quickly and without any data loss. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. On the homepage, you get to see is two options that are basically the modes which are being provided to you, and you can use any one of them according to your system problem. In this video, we'll try to fix the issue with standard mode that is capable of fixing most common iOS issues without any data loss. After selecting the option, the first thing you need to do is connect your iPhone to the PC so that the software learns about your device. Once done, the Fixppo software will provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. Once the firmware has been downloaded, the process of verification and extraction of the firmware package will begin. Once done, just tap Start to let the software begin the process of repair. And just after the process of repair is completed, the connected device will restart. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.